ahoy there, I'm up. Well, bonjour everybody and good morning, and today I'm at this lovely chateau. It's yeah, lovely chateau. I don't know I can read the name but I can't pronounce it, so I put it in the description below. So see you later. Right, I'm coming to this old chateau. It's a ruin, but yes, but it's meant to be mine, but the builders, I couldn't afford the builders, so they just left it like this, you know. So they were like cowboy builders. I'm coming up to it. It's got a lovely view over there as well. Beautiful river, I think. Yes, and I put that in the description below. I'm not awake yet because last night in the tent we had loads and loads of rain, and it was pouring and it was so windy. It's like a hurricane. We had a bit of a leak in the tent, so I have to get the tire. Right, sorry about that. As I was saying, the battery went, and yeah, we had a downpour, flooded the tent out, so we have to get the tarpaulin in the car to put over our bed. So yeah, but this is what it used to look like. This is the chateau, what it used to look like. It's all in French at the moment, all these writings, so I thought I'd show you the pictures. That's what it, so you probably can tell a story of this, and that's probably where they were building it. And here what it used to look like. They're doing some work there. It's a bit like our days really, with the workmen, you know. Maybe look, and they're sort of doing the stone work here by the looks of it. That's all the stone work for the chateau castle. And here's the tools for it, what they used. Yeah, it's similar to our tools really, but now they use all these electric stuff now, don't they? You know, they used to work hard in them days. I mean, for back breaking job. And they like that. It's look like there's cement in it as well. And these are the stone, different types of stone work. There, it says all about it, but I can't read that. There, see. So it's the pictures really. You don't need to. It sort of like tells the story about it as well. That looks like it's Leaning Tower of Pisa, whatever it is. But, yeah. And these are all the ladies, the rich sort of people. And this is what, look how they built that. Look. This is what it's actually like. And I'm going to sort of take you in there now. Well, have a look around. Right, I'm going into this bit here, and there's some pictures here. There. You see them probably praying, and that's what an aerial view is. And this is the map. There. See it? But I'll probably when I get back, I'll probably, oh look at that, it's beautiful. This is the bridge. I'm going through it, and look at this. I don't think these gates were there then, were they? I don't know. God, this is the bit here. Oh, I wonder what this is. Oh, this is just my size here, look. Wow. It goes all the way up there. You've got the window there. Wow. Don't need to bend down in that. And that's locked up now. Oh, there's my bike. Don't know, you can't get in there. Oh, I'll take you all around. It's got places what they are, but if you can read, if you can understand French of what these say, then please leave in the comments down below what this is. Oh. Wow. And by the way, this is free to get in. Oh, some steps here. Some really old steps. They've got to be very, very careful. Oh dear. Oh, God. Oh dear. Right. Oh, oh, oh. I think I know what this is. Oh dear. It's got a hole. It's a blooming toilet. So yeah. Yeah, it's a toilet, and then I have gone to the toilet. You know, people read newspapers, they can have a look out, let's see where they're going to toilet. Yeah, I think that is the toilet. Yeah. I think they used to call them the cesspit, didn't they, or something? Yeah. And oh, look at this. That must be down there, must be a dungeon, you know, for all the naughty people. Yeah. Wow, you can say it's so many stories you can sort of like say. I'm going up these blooming steps. Crooked steps. Oh. Right. Have I been in this bit? Yeah, that's the window. Look out. We've got these little hole things. These maybe they're probably where they put beans or something. But I mean the history. I probably look up the history about this, because that's me. See, I always take you on a mystery tour, and this must be one of the rooms, probably. Yeah. Oh, and then you've got the steps going up here. Then you've got some more steps. Maybe you're not allowed to go in that bit. No, it's got this there. And then let's show you here. Wow. You can sort of like picture it in your head and actually see what it's all I don't know whether this might be a bit of a new bit there compared to that. Yeah, this is all new bits. This probably holds it up. Ah, and that lovely archway, look at that. See it? The archway. Then you've got a lookout. Wow. I wonder if that up there doesn't look very safe, does it? That's probably, hang on, let's take you. I'm going that way. But no, probably can't get in there. I don't know, let's have a look. Oh no, yeah, maybe you can't get in that way. Oh, you probably can get in that way there. There, yeah. Bonjour. 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 I think that's the only bit I know in French. Bonjour, au revoir, and merci. and sha and shun or something. That's dog. Oh look, it's a trust me to go to the toilet again. There's the toilet, and they have got 2 lookouts. So while you're sitting on the toilet, that goes all the way down there, see it? And it's quite dark, so yeah. So if you sit on here like this, oh, I hope it don't go away, you can look out. Hello, I'm on the blooming toilet. Yeah, there's quite a few toilets. So this was called, had 2 toilets. So yeah, 2 toilets. So this, I think that might have been like a chimney, or is it here? Could be a chimney, a fireplace. That might have been a fireplace here. Could be, yeah, the fireplace, and then you've got something up there. Maybe it's another toilet. I don't know. Got loads of toilets in this place. Oh, where am I going now? Going here. Oh wow. Bonjour again. Right, let's see what's in this. Oh, it's like a maze. I mean, look, these people must be my height, because in them days they're quite small. Oops. Oh, it's another toilet. Look. 3 toilets. I wonder if anybody's used them. I don't think that's been used for ages, because it's still got cobwebs in, unless you want spiders at your backside. But, yeah. So I'm just going to the toilet. There we are. Oh, I've run out of paper, but never mind. You've got to have a bit of fun when you're YouTubing, aren't you? I mean, I'm not one of these sort of people, sort of like, you know, regimental. Oh, I've got to read a script and, you know, and that type of person. I'm just me. So if you don't like me, you can just turn me off. But it's got things. It's got so many quirky places. And this is the lady in waiting. The man. This is what it's quite big. Wow. Look at this. I think this is where they did their cooking, I think. Yeah. Oh, that must be the chimney. Goes up. Yeah, this probably used to be an old fireplace, probably. There, and that's where they used to do their cooking. I think I might be right. I might be wrong. I should make a song about that. I might be right, I might be wrong. But yeah. Yeah. I think it's Christy. Oh yeah, kitchen. I was right. See? Yeah, the kitchen. So that must have been the old fireplace. But they probably built it there. But here, they've got something here. Got so many, it's like a maze. I mean, yeah. Got sort of all these nooks and crannies. Oh, they've got some steps up here. Let's have a take you up here. It's quite a big place. Right. Where's make steps like this? Oh, this must be the bit of the modern bit here. Yeah. Oh, look at that view. Look. Beautiful. Oh. It goes up and up. Oh, wow. Ahoy there. I'll put that there. That must be like a little fireplace. Yeah. And this is the, these are the pictures. And here, that's what it probably used to look. Oh, there. Oh, look at this. That's probably what it used to look like that. Beautiful. It's nice how they sort of like try to keep these keep these places, you know. They don't cost money, but it's worth it because it's our history, isn't it? Well, it's their French history and the English history, and it's in Europe history as well. So yeah, it's a lot of history here. Oh, got a bit of a bit chesty today because it was raining last night, and all my covers were getting a bit wet. But that didn't put me off. Oh, look at this. Look at that view. That's the bridge I came over on the bike. I was riding along on the bike. Yeah. That's the map of it. Wow. I'm just being me, taking you around. And that's me. I sort of like go to places, think, oh, we'll see a castle. Oh, I think I'll go there and explore, but I don't know the history of it. So, and then when I get back home, I start reading up about it. That's how you learn about things. And it's good really, because it's not planned, and it's more exciting to just go off and look around. You can stop in the car or your bike. That goes right up there. I should take you. I've got these bits here. I mean, I keep going to the same little place because it all looks the same. But and that's look how they built it. Look how thick it is. See it? Not probably how thick it is. Probably thinking, yeah, me. I'm thick as two short planks. That's me. Yeah, look. Look how thick this is. It's about as thick as my head. Right. Going up this bit here. Wow. And these are all sort of like lookout. Maybe they're, I don't know, maybe they're not lookouts. Maybe they're just where the beam goes and the floors. On the floors or something. I don't know, but if anybody knows, like a builder, they can tell me what actually these are. I've gathered it could be a, you know, like the beam cross, and then putting the floors in or something. So it might be that, but I might be wrong. I'm not going to say it is, but you know, somebody probably might know. I mean, it's a learning curve, isn't it? I'm not a builder, so the only thing I can build is sandcastles. Oh, right. Oh, there's a place in here. This little archway. Look how the size of it. It's like my little height. Look, I feel tall in them days. Yeah. Tall. That goes around. That must be a lookout thing. So, oh, you got some steps up there. Yeah, another little room. Yeah, I've done that bit. This bit I haven't done. It's got a lock on it. I wonder why they locked that up. Even close the windows off. I can't really see in, can I? Oh well. Right, that is finished for today. So I should love you and see you later, and au revoir. So bye for now, and I'll take you on my next adventures. Bye.